ain't gotta say the words. I know all the lyrics. It's more than just a bass, baby. I feel it when I
Hey
hear it.
ladies, I'm back again. This is Sean of Simply B, and I'm here to give you all the details of this wig. Honey, yes. First, let me provide you with details of the hair. This is 3.5, 18-inch Indian curly from Eunice Hair. Had to say that slow before I forget. I ordered 4 bundles and an 18-inch closure. This is not 18 inches. I cut this hair so it could have like a blunt, bobbish look or whatever, but normally curly hair, after you wear it for a while, the ends get like stringy. So, I mean, if you're gonna wear this curly hair for a long time, just be prepared to snip a little bit. I mean, I cut a lot, but no worries. So about this hair is very light. It's thick. It's so thick. And again, I have an 18-inch closure. I do not like buying closures that don't match my hair. I do not like that stunt choppy look. I don't like it unless like I'm gonna be wearing the hair curled, like a body wave. So I bleached the closure, as you can see, and I also tinted the closure through a process that I have. I'm also gonna make a video for that, drop that flow. And my face, have video for that too. I'll probably link it on here. So let's do pros and cons. So pros, I've had this hair since November. It's on a unit, which is a wig. So it's on a wig cap. I take it off at night. I put it on when I'm wearing it or whatever. So that's a big difference. That's the difference between having your hair sewn in and having a unit. So this curly hair, I do not sleep on it. I take it off every night. So that means the longevity of this hair is going to be longer than a sew in. Because if you can see, anyone that wears weave, you know, at the back of your neck, like if you're sweating or whatever, it's gonna get tangled. Like this is just natural weave thing. It's no one weave is better than the other, blah blah blah. But if I wet this and brush it out with my Denman brush, you're gonna see me use this a lot, it's gonna go right back to its natural state, just like the curls in the front. So just be mindful of that. Some people say, oh, my hair don't shed. This hair doesn't shed. It's 10A, it's 4A, AAA, all that A. Virgin hair is virgin hair. And it's a difference between virgin hair and raw hair. But I'll talk about that in another video. So this hair, it doesn't really shed that bad, but I don't brush this hair dry. I brush this hair wet just to make sure I'm not damaging or getting any like stringy ends. I'm always trying to protect this hair. I wet it, like I drench it, and I'm gonna attach that in the video as well. Show you like how I get the hair wet and brushing it with my Denman brush so that the curls are defined, if you can see. So it's curly hair, but you have to brush it to get it a certain way. Like these curls are all from my Denman brush. Like that is making it pop, and you're gonna get a different type of curl if you wet this hair and you just comb it. Like if you just comb it, you're probably gonna get like a looser curl like this. Like if you just wet it and comb it and not brush it. Now, if you just wet it and run your fingers through it, the hair is going to do whatever you let it do. But if you get a brush, this brush is going to separate the curls. Like you can really see it on this side. Probably because I've been putting my hands in my hair. You can see it really good on this side.
Trying to give her what she's missing. Hit it hard like a drum, give her love till it's gone. I know that she deserves it. And me and you, ooh, red rum and a day. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah.
So here is the wet side and here is the dry side. Wet side, dry side. I told you about the weight of the hair. Also, this is the same color. I haven't bleached it, so if you bleach it or color it, dye it, whatever, I'm not sure if you're gonna have the same volume and curl pattern. Excuse my voice, I've been yelling all day. Calming down off a high. But let's see what else. Underneath, like, as you can see, my edges are like rolled up underneath this. Like, I didn't gel my edges only because, like, I knew I was wearing my hair like this or whatever, but gel your edges. Like, you would want to do that, but I just don't give a rat's butt. But these are my edges underneath here. If you saw the introduction video, you'll see that my hair is short. I recently cut my hair, so my hair is short. I do have 4 braids in my hair, so I have a part right here that aligns with my closure. Do not put your closure on top of a braid, okay? So yeah, this hair. It's full, it's light. I haven't dyed it, haven't colored it, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen with that. Also, it's on a unit, so I take it off at night. Not sure how it will hold up with the sew-in. Being honest, I'm not sure how it would hold up with the sew-in. So yes, this is the hair. 18-inch closure, 3.5 18-inch bundles, Indian curly, cut to my neck. Okay, here's the back, so you can see how full it is. It's full all the way around, and it's full all the way to the end. Catch that, catch that. So if you have any other hair that you want me to review, you want to see how it is, let me know. It's basically everything I have for this wig. So thank you for watching this video. I know a lot of you was asking me questions on my Snapchat, which is at simply_Shawn, and my Instagram. You can follow me there. I post a lot of pictures of my hair with my face, even when I look beat up when I'm coming from class. So you get all the details there as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the quickest way to get notifications, and turn the notifications on. That's the quickest way to know when we post videos. Thank you for watching.
Tell me what you know about that. Tell me what you know.